So hey there and good day guys. So are you looking for a site that is for your real estate? And if yes, just continue this video because today I will teach you how to use Monday.com for your real estate. So as you can see here guys, this is the Monday.com, and what you need to do here is just click this one, this start free or the get started. So after that one guys, is you will be directed to logging in. So for me, I will just continue with my Google account. So here guys, and then after you log in guys, is you will be directed to several questions before you proceed to the real estate production. So here guys is the first question. So what brings you here today? So here guys is there's a choices at work, personal, school, or non-profits. So I choose work, and then what best describe your current role? So for me here is I'm gonna choose team leader. Then after that one is here how many people are on your team. Imagine 2/5 or 2 to 5, and then 1 to 19. And then after that one is select what you would like to manage first. Here you will be able to see here the construction, the legal, design and creative, sales and CRM, and then non-profits. And then for us guys, we will choose the marketing, and then just tap the continue. And then here is you'd like to focus on first. So you would like to focus here on the project management. And then after this one, here is the last question. How did you hear about us? So we can choose here the YouTube. Okay, just one guys. And then right after that one is you will be headed over to this part where you will see here the let's start working together, and then what you will name to your project. So here you can see here I'm typing here real estate, and then you can select the relevant columns for your board. You can choose status, due date, file, but we will choose here the basic one. I mean here we will be choosing here some of the columns that we will be using. And then right after this one is after choosing that one guys, is you just need to tap the next button. Okay, and after that one is here we will now add a view layout. So we are just gonna go ahead to the basic one, the table, because this is our first project. So as you can see here guys, you are going to now list your projects, or you can rename it. For example, to that is because we are having a project about real estate, we are going to change it to task 1 to property 1, property 2, and then property 3. Okay, that's it guys, and then just click the next button. And after that one is you are going to rename this one. For example, to that is we think about it is connected to the real estate guys, so we need to name it project deals. Okay, just type on this one, and then so you can see here guys, and then this one is the client deals. And then right after that one guys is you will be able to see here guys this site. So after that one is you need to get started guys for your project. So you will be added here, and then you will see here guys. So first things first is you need to go to this site. So real estate guys, you will be seeing here some of the information you need to know before anything guys. So let's move here to this side guys. Okay, so you can see here guys, you will be able to see here on. So here is the whole my work, favorites, main workspace. Then here guys, you can close this guys for you to have a better view. So here guys, you can change the status to deal status. So that's it, guys. And then for this, guys, is you can also choose to change this one, guys. So hold on, I will just adjust this one. For example, guys, is you are done, so you can now adjust it to done. Then you can also change it to stock. And then you will see here the percentage. Then after that one, guys, is you will be able to see here the properties and then the priorities, so low, high, video, and then the due date. You can also change it, guys. It's really up to you, guys, because this is your project and it will depend on your project, guys. So for example, to that is this one. Okay, put on. And then after that one is, let's proceed here to the new group. We can add a new group here, guys. So for example, to that is, I'll rename it to a, hold on, I will just think. For example, guys, it's renovation. So here, guys, is, I'm gonna change it to renovation task, and then I'll add a task here. For us to continue to this tutorial, I'm gonna add here a property 1, and then I will make a deal status. I can edit a label here. For example, so that is, just tap on this, and then here you can add a new label. I'll add here the planning. So I'll just gonna type here planning. Here, guys, you can see here. So here, the planning is now here and it will now appear. So right after this one, guys, is we will now proceed here to for a while. So we can now scroll down a bit, and then let's move forward here. You can add here and then search on this board for the person, like this one, and then the filter or sort the column, guys, the condition. And then also, guys, you can see here, if you want to sort here by column or ascending, and then you can also hide a column here, guys. For example, I want to hide this one. You cannot see here, guys, the one that you hide. And then after that one, guys, is we can also group them, guys. We can group the items. Then after that one is we can now add a view here. For example, that is the Gantt chart, the calendar, the Kanban, file gallery, the form, and the blank. And then again, guys, let's open the navigation and let's go back here. And then as you can see here, let's try to my work, and then you will see here all your works, guys. But right now we only have one work, guys, because we are a beginner. And you will also see here, guys, your inbox. As you can see here, guys, this is your feed. And then let's move forward to this one. Let's go back here, and then you will see here your recent boards. And then if you tap this one, you will be heading here. And then again, guys, you can have edit here or add a new, like for example, the Gantt chart, or here, guys. Here is also the apps, guys, that you can use, guys. And then after that one is you will have choices of the apps that you want to use. So you can see here, guys. And then right after that one is, let's move forward here. So you can invite board members. So you can see here, guys, just type their email or their name. And then you can also see here, guys, the all update, guys. For example, if you were mentioned. And then after that one, guys, is you can also invite to work management. And here, guys, is the notification. So for the meantime, you don't have a notification because you are a beginner. And then here, guys, you can search everything. And then here, guys, is the last part, guys. You can see here your account, your team, your profile. You can import data. You can upgrade. You can see here the logout option. And then that's it, guys. So here is your real estate in money.com.